Go hard, 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 Lord, kill me if I don't preach the gospel. Still in my 20s, but I die if I got it. Man, I'm already dead. Forget my flesh. I done been crossed over. See the full court press. I'm a full court mess if the Lord don't use me. Running from my trials, thinking everything's groovy. If the cross don't move me, then I don't wanna be no more. If I ain't seeing Christ, partner, I don't wanna see no more. Rep them every day without worrying about a bruise. And I've been to China, man, I seen some real persecution. If you didn't know Christ, would your life look the same? And they tell you value Jesus by the way you rep his name, man. What's the point of living if I'm living for myself? Lord, empty out my life before I put you on the shelf. So for God I go hard, I don't wanna die tonight. But it's too many people living who ain't heard about the Christ. Go hard, 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 go hard. Lord, use me, 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 Lord. Let's get it. Go hard for the Lord, night and day, take us home. Go hard for the Father, baby, go on, get it on. That's what that is, baby. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That's what that is, baby. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That mean that we should be out up in the street, not just in houses with our Bibles, summarizing what we read. Man, this ain't deep. While we ain't doing what we read, it's like we sleep. But sinners sleep off when they sleep, so why can't we? The redeemed of the Lord act out what he said and make a scene for the Lord. Action cut, say what?